Hello friends, it's Miss Buchanan. We have 2 new red words to learn for this week. Our first red word is your. How many parts of the word your do you hear? I hear y, or as 2 sounds. The first sound that I hear in the red word your is a y, and I know that that's a y. What's the second part of the word your that you hear? Y, or. Sounds like the word or is hiding in there. But there's a U that sneaks its way in for the red word your. That last part is the part that you have to know by heart. The red word your is spelled Y-O-U-R. Our next red word for this week is here. Here. Like, come stand over here. How many sounds or parts of the word do you hear in the red word here? I hear ear. And I know that there's going to be more than one letter in this second box. The first sound I hear in the word here is and I know that that is an H. The second sound in the word here, ear, ear. How do we spell ear? Kind of sounds like an E and an R stuck together. Ear. But it's actually an E-R-E, and that's the part that we have to know by heart. So the red word here is spelled H-E-R-E.